Huawei is no stranger to innovation, and they proved this by being the first to introduce the first ever commercially available trifold smartphone to the world. Apart from that, they're also the smartphone brand with the most folding form factors available in the market. Which is why today we're putting their latest King of Foldables, the HUAWEI Mate X7, head-to-head against Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold7. With the Mate X7's ultra-durable build, unrivaled camera system, large screen productivity, long battery life, and practical AI features, the big question is this: which foldable is actually built to last and truly suitable as a daily driver? Let's get into it. Starting off with design and build. This isn't just about how thin or stylish a foldable looks. It's about how confidently we can use it in every single day. Huawei positions the Mate X7 around one core promise: 360-degree protection, reliable from the inside and out. And unlike most foldables, that durability isn't just marketing. It's engineered into every layer of the device. The outer screen is protected by ultra-durable crystal armor Kunlun glass, designed to better withstand drops and scratches in real-world use. The inner screen is made up of a 3-layer composite ultra-tough structure that improves impact resistance while maintaining flexibility. The hinge utilizes Huawei's advanced precision hinge, engineered with zero contact between the screen and the hinge when folded, reducing long-term wear. Its frame is made with aviation-grade aluminum that reinforces the phone's structure without excessive weight. And for ingress protection, it's IP59 plus IP58 certified, capable of handling hot water of up to 80 degrees Celsius and submersion of up to 2 meters for 30 minutes in fresh water. In hand, the Mate X7 immediately feels like a foldable you don't have to baby. Visually, Huawei keeps things premium and understated with carefully curated design motifs like the camera island. The Huawei Mate X7 is available in Nebula Red like we have here and Classic Black, both finished with a premium vegan leather backing that adds grip, durability, and a distinct professional feel. Compared to the Galaxy Z Fold7, which utilizes Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for the outer display, a UTG layer for the inner display, a dual-rail hinge system, also an aluminum frame, and an IP48 rating, it refines the foldable experience through polish and familiarity. The Huawei Mate X7 takes a more confidence-driven approach by engineering a foldable that's meant to be used in everyday life without hesitation. So yes, as always, design is subjective to the end user's taste, and even if we skipped all the hoopla in terms of both phones' construction, the Huawei Mate X7 still takes the cake in this segment for its better ingress protection. Now, something we can all agree with is that foldables shouldn't compromise on photography, especially at flagship prices. And this is where the Huawei Mate X7 makes a bold statement. For the first time, a Huawei Foldables camera system is completely on par with the brand's best bar-type phones. This alone changes how we should evaluate foldable display phone photography moving forward. The Mate X7 focuses on 4 core cameras, and each one actually delivers in real-world scenarios. First up is what the peeps from Huawei call their true-to-color camera, which is a second-generation ultra chroma camera, a sensor we could find from the Mate X6, which was its predecessor, used for capturing rich color data from multiple points in the scene, giving us amazing color reproduction. This new version provides a 43% improvement compared to last gen. Second is the 50-megapixel ultra-lighting HDR camera, which does great for all types of shooting scenarios: well-lit, low-light, backlit, you name it. It also sets a new record for the Mate X7, becoming the first foldable smartphone to achieve Ultra HDR photos and videos at 17.5 stops of dynamic range, which is even more than the Pura 80 Ultras. Third is the 50-megapixel telemacro camera, which features the largest aperture telephoto on a foldable phone. This camera captures stunning detail, great for zooming into architectural design, or shooting macro close-ups with great clarity. And last but not the least, there's also a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera. All these sensors are capable of capturing very accurate true-to-life colors. This way, scenes are captured exactly as your eyes see them. Even in high saturation or complex lighting environments, details remain sharp and properly exposed, resulting in balanced, natural-looking images with consistent color accuracy. And thanks to both phones' outward folding design, either the HUAWEI Mate X7 or the Z Fold7 allows us to use its main cameras for selfies or group photos. In contrast, the Galaxy Z Fold7 features a 200-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Let's see how they compare. And for those of you wondering, yes, both phones have selfie cameras in their main displays. The Mate X7 gets an 8-megapixel one, and the Z Fold7 has 10 megapixels. Both work great for video chats. Overall, for photography, the Mate X7 leans into the strengths of its foldable form factor and flagship camera system to deliver very color-accurate and lifelike images without compromise. Moving on, a foldable's true value is what you can do with it when it's fully open. And this is where foldables usually shine as productivity tools. The HUAWEI Mate X7 utilizes an 8-inch LTPO OLED panel that can go up to 120 Hz and gets a peak brightness of 2500 nits. The Galaxy Z Fold7 sports an 8-inch LTPO AMOLED display that also goes up to 120 Hz and peaks at 2600 nits of brightness. But the Mate X7 does get a higher resolution at 2416 by 2210 compared to the Z Fold7's 2184 by 1968. Either way, both their main displays make multitasking feel natural. App continuity is pretty much seamless, split-screen workflows are intuitive for both, and switching between tasks doesn't feel like a compromise. Editing documents, watching content, running multiple apps side by side, or doing light creative work on the go all feel right at home on the Mate X7 and Z Fold7. Apart from that, Huawei also deserves credit for how far the app gallery has developed. The app ecosystem has matured significantly, offering a wide range of productivity apps, creative tools, and optimized large-screen experiences. At this point, app availability should no longer be a reason to hold back from experiencing Huawei's foldable innovations, in our opinion. But in contrast, the Galaxy Z Fold7 offers their very well-loved One UI experience with a strong app ecosystem as well. Which is why, in this segment, both devices really showcase how easy it can be to adapt to a bigger display in the form of a foldable. What we see is that users need to try both ecosystems to see what they prefer, and for that reason, it's a tie here. But what's the point of being on the cutting edge of consumer tech if that tech isn't even smart enough to last us a day? Well, the Mate X7 is equipped with a 5600 mAh ultra-large silicon anode battery, paired with 66 watts of wired and 50 watts of wireless charging. The Galaxy Z Fold7 gets a 4400 mAh lithium polymer battery featuring 25 watts wired and 15 watts of wireless charging. The Mate X7 is rated to deliver up to 11 hours of battery life, which is a 1.4-hour improvement over its predecessor. In our PC Mark Work 3.0 battery testing, the Mate X7 lasted 21 hours and 38 minutes when folded and 15 hours and 32 minutes unfolded, which are more significant results than what the phone is even rated for. Surprisingly, the Galaxy Z Fold7 on the other hand garnered a result of 29 hours and 13 minutes folded and 17 hours and 26 minutes unfolded, despite the smaller battery capacity. So, with the surprising battery benchmark results, this segment becomes a tie. Both phones can easily last up to 2 days with light to moderate usage, although the Z Fold7 will last longer overall. The Mate X7 gets faster charging speeds, resulting in quicker top-ups, which can prove useful when out and about. Wrapping this video up, the HUAWEI Mate X7 isn't just another foldable. It's a clear statement on what foldables should be in 2026. Durable, practical, powerful, and great for productivity. Against the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Mate X7 stands out in terms of its construction and camera performance. They've done a good job with it by focusing less on novelty and more on real-world usability, which makes it a compelling choice for professionals who need a foldable that fits seemingly into everyday life. The HUAWEI Mate X7 is coming soon, and it'll be available in the Philippines for pre-order on February 19, 2026. So, what did you guys think of this video? HUAWEI Mate X7 or Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you found this video enjoyable, informative, or even just a little bit fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yukatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the HUAWEI Mate X7 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Miguel T, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.